What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. If you like this look, please let me know. Stay tuned and subscribe. Okay, so I am going to use the palette Sweet Peach by Too Faced. It's like so cute. I love this palette. I love their whole like peach theme collection. Like my favorite color is like a peachy pink, so you know I had to get everything in the collection. So I'm first gonna take the colors Peaches and Cream, and I already primed my eyelids with MAC Paint Pot. So right now I'm just going to take that eyeshadow and I'm just going to put it on my crease area. I am not going to put it on my lid. And the reason for that is because I already put a paint pot on here on my lid to prime it. So it's like a cream consistency. So if you put powder on it, it basically locks it. But what I'm going to do later on is I'm going to take my concealer and I am going to put it over it. And I don't want the powder. If I put powder on my lid, it's just going to make it look like thick. And I don't want it to look like that. I just want it to look real smooth. So okay, I'm going to go into this palette and I am going to take the color Pure, which is here. And I'm going to put that in my crease. Now I'm going to take the color Summer Yum and I'm going to put that a little bit lower in my crease. As you can see, I'm not going all the way up. I'm just going to put it here. You can see this side is a little bit darker. It's transitioning. Gotta make sure you blend out these sides. And now I'm gonna go into my Park Avenue Princess Chisel palette and I am going to use the color Crown to put that a little bit lower. Actually darken it up. And this actually has shimmer in it, but it's so pretty. I'm going to take my concealer and carve out my eyebrows right here. Okay, so that's exactly where that is where I'm going to start carving it out. And I'm just going to follow the line of my crease. I don't know why is it that when I do it on myself, it does not come out right. But when I do it on clients, it comes out on point. Practice, 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 people. Okay, that side is done. Okay, so I put on the other side off camera. Next, I'm going to take my NYX glitter glue and I'm going to use that to put that all over my eye to lock in the glitter. I'm gonna do this little by little. Oh my god, look at that. The Too Faced gold glitter. Oh wow. This is like bam, your face kind of glitter. It's cute. That's so pretty. Just going to pat this in. I'm not gonna just throw it over because then you get glitter everywhere. So what I did was I just followed the line of where I cut my crease. So I'm not going to take it all the way down because I want to leave that for a darker brown. Okay, that's really gold, like really gold. Okay, next I'm going into my Too Faced Just Peachy Mattes palette, and I'm going to use the color Peach Tart, which is up here, and I'm going to use that for the outer portion of my eye. So what I want to do is I want to put it here into the glitter so that it can fade. And then I'm going to take my blending brush and I'm just going to blend it out. Freaking glitter is like going everywhere. Okay, so now I'm going to take a wipe and I'm going to wipe out the fallout under my eye. I'm gonna actually do eyeliner on my lids with eyeliner. I feel when you do a glitter eyeshadow that the best thing to do for eyeliner is a liquid eyeliner because it's a lot easier. I'm actually using the Sephora Colorful Eyeliner Waterproof. Okay, so I put on the other side of my liner, and right now I'm going to put on lashes. These are the Red Cherries, black and number 62. I'm not going to put mascara on my eyelashes just because these are really dramatic, and you know, I don't feel like I need to do all of that, so why waste the time? When you put on your lashes, try to get them as close to your lash line as possible, and then just pinch them together. Now I'm going to do the other side off camera. Okay, so I put on my other lash off camera, and this is the eye look so far. I'm going to finish my face, put on my foundation and my concealer. Now I'm going to put eyeshadow underneath my eyes. So now I'm going to go into my Park Avenue Princess Chisel palette. So pretty. I'm going to take the color Carrot. And I'm just going to throw this all under my lash line. Then I'm going to take Crown, which is the darker color, and I'm going to just throw that a little bit further. Now I'm going to go take the darker color that I put here, and I'm just going to throw a little bit on the edge. Now I'm going to take Sephora's single eyeshadow called Golden Heart, and I'm going to put that in the inner tear duct of my eye. So to complete the eye look, I'm just going to throw in some waterproof black eyeliner. Okay, so I put on mascara off camera. Right now I'm going to put on some liquid lipstick. I'm going to use Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. And I'm going to use the shade Poet, number 60. But first I'm going to line my lips using my Sephora lip liner to go. These are like mini lip liners. They're like $6. got some highlighter. Oh no, where do I think I was going without some highlighter? Oh no. To take my Fenty, my favorite highlighter is Hustler Baby in the kilowatts. Take my Milani Mimoso. Okay, that is the completed look. Is it slay or is it just nay? Let me know. Comment below whether you liked it or not. What I can do to improve it, because I am a makeup artist, but I can do a cut crease on other people, on my clients, but for some reason I cannot do certain things on myself. I know it's weird, but practice, practice, practice. If you don't believe me, please follow my social media. Follow me on Instagram, letmebeyourmirror.glam, and you can see all my pictures on there. If you like my channel, if you like my videos, please hit that subscribe button like that. Okay, and I will be bringing you, I will see you on the next one. Bye.